What's going on, world? This is your boy Nick from Testament of a Believer, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Lifelines Waves Ultrasonic Diffuser. Now, I, for one, am a fan of essential oils, so I purchased this right here because the old diffuser that I had was not really performing to the expectations that I wanted. So I saw this thing in Target. I picked it up a couple of months ago, actually, and I'm just now getting around to opening it up and seeing what the experience is. So let's see what's on the box. Says citrus groove energy is what's in the box. If you see this right here, then you will get one of those inside the box. A symphony for your senses. It says to de-stress with breathtaking scents, colorful lights, and cascading mist inspired by the ocean's tide. Add a drop of included Lifelines essential oil blend and activate your body's innate stress relievers, which is your senses. You got rotating colors, which is 6 different colors. You got auto shut off. You got timers on here. It seems like it's a 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour timer. And there's 2 levels of aroma in this thing. So if you're a fan of Lifelines like I am, I'm a fan of their essential oil lines, and it's easy with their little pump to just pump a couple of drops into your batch of solution that you're gonna use, and you just enjoy the aromatherapy, man. So as far as the ingredients goes for the essential oil, which is the citrus groove energy, that's the one that's included inside the box. You got no parabens, no phthalates, no dyes, no formaldehyde donors, none of that stuff. So this is what it looks like, man. You see the box, you see the front of it right here. And without further ado, man, let's open it up and see what we get on the inside. So let's do it. Just one tab right here. Gonna bust that open it up. And I was kind of curious what it was gonna look like on the inside. I didn't know if I had to get a battery pack or a plug to, and I smell it. I'm gonna open it. Jeez Louise. I already smell the energy. I just got a burst of energy when I smelled it. I don't know why, but it was strong. But it comes with a AC adapter. So I was curious as to how this would work. AC to DC right here. I guess if you have a DC port or something like that, or an external battery, it can work. Let me see. So this is rated for output 24 volts, 12 watts at half an amp. So there you go. That's what you get with the plug. Right here at the top is what we have with our Lifeline Citrus Groove Energy. Now the one I was just showing you is one of my favorites. It's the Citrus Groove Focus. So I love the Focus. And the thing about it is the energy comes in a different bottle this time. It comes in basically the Focus color, because I have the Lifeline pack right here. That's where I got the Focus from. But this in the pack, it comes with energy, focus, joy, calm, and also another one of the energy. But all the energies are different colors than this. So looks like they got a lot of energies going on. All right, so let's keep it going. Open it up, see what we got. A little paperwork, put that to the side. I'm not gonna read that. All right, without further ado, let's pull it out. Here's the diffuser. Smaller than what I thought it was gonna be, but I'm glad it's not that big. So on the front, you have your buttons. You have your snooze button. Looks like your light button. Also, your level to what you want to set your aroma level on. So that's your 3 buttons at the front. At the bottom, you have rubberized pads so it can't slip on the table or something like that. The thing is not going anywhere wherever you set it at. Your fan on the bottom, and also your DC port. What size it is, I have no clue. But that's your input for your 24 volt, 12 watt, half amp input, which is your plug right here. And other than that, you got a cool design going around, but that's all you get. At the top, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like at the bottom and all around. but at the top is where you put your liquid. It says remove to fill. So you will remove this, and then you would put your liquid inside of here. So right here it has another set of instructions in it. It says a note on your waves diffuser. It says for optimal visual waves experience, please do not fill the diffuser past the red and white line as noted in the reservoir. So you got a fill line in there, and I'll show you that in a second. And it says depending on your environment, using the high diffusion setting may lead to condensation, on the surface below the diffuser. So if you get some condensation on the surface below the diffuser, it's just your environment going on. All right, so it says to reduce condensation, enable auto shut off feature for 1 to 4 hours, or place an absorbent mat under the diffuser. So if you get some water under the diffuser, then put a mat under there. Or, if you're really in a humid environment, you're gonna get some condensation buildup. But that's what it is. Other than that, the fill line is right there. If you can see on the inside, the fill line, there's not a lot of water that goes in here. So I'm gonna get my trusty sidekick to put some water in here to the fill line, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I'm back. I got water inside the diffuser, and we're gonna go ahead and get started with our essential oil. Now I'm not gonna do the focus. I told you focus is the one I like the most, but I'm gonna try this energy out. And since it's brand new, it says that maybe 1 or 2 pumps or something like that, and to get it going. Add more pumps for if you want a stronger aroma. I usually go for about 2 or 3. So let's see what we got. And it says when you first doing it, because it's new, you're gonna need more pumps. Nothing came out that time. So here's 1 pump, 2 pumps, 3 pumps. So we got our oil in there, our energy. I'm gonna put the top on here, and we're gonna see how this smells. And that's our light right there. And you got 6 different colors. First one was orange. That one is kind of lavender. That one is kind of orange, pink, and this one it looks lavender. So that's 3 colors. That's kind of like a blue-ish, light white. That's blue, and that one back is orange, and that one's off. So maybe that one's red. I don't know, but that's the colors you get. I don't know if you can see it. I can't tilt it over because it might spill. So this is the first setting right here. Then I hear the fans whirling, and there it goes, starting to come out. That was pretty quick. So we're gonna see if we can smell this bad boy and how it looks. I don't like this color, so I'm gonna change this color. I'm kind of more, ooh, that smells good. Jeez, that smells great. I'm kind of more of a blue guy, so I'm gonna put it on blue. But I already smell it on the first aroma level. Maybe because I'm right here, but I'm back here and I smell it. God, that thing smells good. The energy is energizing me. That's the first aroma level, and I don't know if you can see the little mist or the little smoke coming out of it, but that's what it looks like. I'm gonna crank it up to the second aroma level, and it blinked to let me know that it was going to go stronger. And now I can see more mist and more smoke coming out, and this thing is lovely. This thing is it's hypnotizing actually, because you can see the smoke coming out and you can see it swirling, and it kind of relaxes you. You can see the colors and things like that. So I am pretty satisfied with this purchase so far. But this is the experience that you get from, let me get the name right, the Lifelines Waves Ultrasonic Diffuser. You can get this thing from Target. Pretty much you can get it from Amazon, things like that. I could put a link in the description down below if you want to know the cost. I don't remember the cost off the top of my head. Like I said, I bought this thing a couple of months ago. I'll put the cost down here somewhere so you can know how much exactly I paid for it. But I don't think it was that expensive. I wouldn't have got it if it was so expensive, because I kind of want something that works and gives me some good vibes, man. If you're an essential oil type of person, this purchase may be for you. And Lifelines have, like I said, the additional oils and things like that. This is the Discovery set, and in it you have the energy right here, which is made out of, let me move this out the way. which is made out of pine and patchouli, something, I don't know what that is. But it's like a little pine cone right here. And then you have the focused. Okay, so it says walk in the woods energy. So it's different kind of energies. So this is the citrus groove energy, right? And this one is the walk in the woods energy. So it's different kind of energies. That's pretty interesting. Then it has the citrus groove focus, which is lemon and lavender. That's the one I love. The crisp mountain air joy, which is Davana and fig. The spice rush calm, which is clove and Tahitian vanilla. Okay. And then it says in bloom energy, which is jasmine and amber. And then once again, they got the citrus groove energy, which is the one right here. And you see I'm talking faster. So this thing is energizing me, right? I'm just smelling this thing and it's pretty cool. So I am satisfied with this purchase. But yeah, man, this is Lifelines, man. If you need this essential oil in your life, get you one of these Lifelines, man. This thing is amazing and I like it. So that's pretty much it for this video. You like this video, hit that thumbs up button. You want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.